I am Rita Akpaglo Mensah of California Intercontinental University, a DBA student taking the course IST 630 Information Technology in Organizations with the Professor Dr. Ralph Riley. This presentation is about information technology in organizations. Information technology or information systems are considered now as a foundation for conducting businesses today, and they have been considered as the basic components of survival and achievement of business strategic goals. So here we can say it is a crucial component of organizational infrastructure because it allows businesses to gather, store, analyze, and send data promptly and accurately. The uses of information technology in business are many, but businesses in general use information systems to achieve 6 major objectives. And these objectives are operational excellence, new products, services, and business models. They are customer-supplier intimacy, improved decision-making, competitive advantage, and they also use information technology in the day-to-day survival of their business. Continuing with the uses of information technology in business, IT is designed to serve the needs of important organizational groups, and these are shaped by the organization structure. And here the organization structure is normally a system that outlines how certain activities are carried out in order to achieve the goals of an organization. These activities can be described as the rules and the responsibilities. They also determine how information flows between levels within the company. We have the business process, and the business process normally is a logically related set of activities that defines how specific tasks are performed. And this represents a unique way in which organizations coordinate work, information, and knowledge. We look at the goals, the culture, the politics, and management. Our next slide is IT applications in organizations. We have 4 of such applications. Enterprise Resource Planning, which is a platform that is used by businesses or organizations to manage and integrate essential parts of the business. Customer Relationship Management also automates and integrates customer-facing processes in sales, marketing, and customer service. It provides an enterprise-wide view of customers. This platform helps to identify profitable and unprofitable customers and other opportunities to reduce the churn rate in the system. The supply chain management also helps automate the flow of information among members of the supply chain, so they can use it to make better decisions about when and how much to purchase, produce, or ship. More accurate information is needed in the supply chain management. Then the last on the slide is knowledge management. Knowledge management is one of the applications used in organizations and is normally a set of processes that is used to create, store, transfer, and apply knowledge in the organization. Knowledge management helps organizations in documentation of information on clients, inventory, and on sales. It also helps to retrieve knowledge to provide understanding, collaboration, and helps in process alignment. On this slide, knowledge management programs are responsible for creating, managing, and distributing articles, specifically for intranet, extranet, and on the website. With the help of the standardized expert system, employees benefit by finding accurate information from available knowledge base for effective communication. If employees are able to get the right information, they are able to pass on the right information to clients when the need be. Moving on, a good knowledge management system keeps all stakeholders up to date on the happenings in the organization. Knowledge management systems help to know every detail about customers and about the markets. With knowledge management system, it helps in creating a market strategy, which helps to meet up the demands of the customers. On our next slide, we're talking about security. So here we say lack of adequate security and control can cause enterprises reliant on information systems for their essential business tasks to lose sales and productivity. With a poor security system, businesses can lose information on their clients, on their sales, on their inventories, and at the end of the day, productivity. Security by design is crucial to avoid overwhelming costs associated with considering safety measures after deployment. It is very important to consider security when deploying IT systems. There are various tools for safeguarding IT resources in businesses, and some of these tools are firewalls, and these firewalls prevent unauthorized users from accessing a private network when it is linked to the internet. We also have the intrusion detection, which also monitor private networks for suspicious networks and traffic and attempt to access corporate systems. We use passwords, tokens, smart cards, and biometric authentication are used to authenticate system users. Antiviruses are also used to check computer systems for infections by viruses and worms, and they often eliminate the malicious software. We also have the encryption, that is the coding and the scrambling of messages. It's a widely used technology for securing electronic transmissions over unprotected networks. On our next slide is a drawback. So new information technology investments are unlikely to produce high returns unless businesses made the appropriate managerial organizational changes to support the technology. Benefits will not accrue if management still does business in the old way. In conclusion, it is very important to understand how the business is to change so as to benefit from IT. And they benefit from IT in terms of communication, inventory management, decision making, data management, and customer relationship management. When these areas of the organization are well managed with IT, it is clear that the business will have a competitive advantage over its competitors in the market. Thank you. References. So the book used for this presentation is from Loudon, KC, and Loudon, JP, 2017, Management Information Systems, 15th edition, Pearson Education, US.